Stop wasting hours studying manually. These AI tools help students finish faster and smarter every single day. Most students struggle with notes, assignments, and research. It takes too long and feels overwhelming every day. In this video, I show 5 free AI tools that turn study time into fast results starting today. Students using these tools are saving hours daily and finishing work in half the usual time. By the end, you will know exactly which tools to use for studying, writing, and research. Let's start with tool number 1 that students use to generate instant explanations for any topic. Tool 1 is ChatGPT. Students use it to explain hard topics in simple language instantly. You type your subject, and it breaks everything into easy steps you can understand quickly. This replaces hours of reading with simple answers you can revise in minutes. Tool 2 is Grammarly. It helps students fix grammar and improve writing instantly. You paste assignments, and it corrects mistakes so your work looks professional. This is how students improve grades without spending extra hours rewriting work. Tool 3 is Notion AI. It organizes your notes into clean study systems. You paste notes, and it automatically organizes them into study-friendly formats. This turns messy studying into structured revision that is easy to remember. Tool 4 is Quillbot. It helps you rewrite and simplify complex sentences. Students use it to improve essays and make writing clearer and faster. This tool reduces writing stress and improves assignment quality instantly. Tool 5 is Google Gemini. It helps with research and quick answers. You ask questions and it gives summarized information from multiple sources. These 5 tools replace hours of study time. Students save up to 5 hours daily. Now combine these tools into your daily study system for maximum speed. Use Grammarly and Quillbot to refine writing and assignments quickly. Finally, use Gemini to finish research faster than traditional methods. This system turns slow studying into fast, organized learning every day. Once you master this, you can apply the same tools for online income. Students using AI are outperforming others because they work smarter, not harder. This is not about working more hours. It is about using better tools. These 5 tools are completely free and ready to use today. Now you know the system. 5 tools, 1 workflow, faster studying every day. If you apply this daily, your study time will reduce significantly within a week. Next, I show how students use AI to start making money online. Subscribe now so you do not miss the next AI income system. Your next step is simple. Watch the income video next and upgrade your skills. Start today. Use these tools. Change how you study forever.